O- okay, in this video we are going to compute the square for 5 numbers. So open Pydroid 3, create a variable numbers. In that variable we will store a list. We create list from a literal numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Use print statement to print the numbers. Pass as a parameter number. Execute, and this is the actual content of the list, numbers from 1 to 5. Okay, now I will use the map function. Map is an incorporated a built-in function in the Python programming language. I will create a new variable result. In that variable I will store the contents of the square numbers for the number that are stored in the numbers list. Invoke the map function. The first argument for this function is a lambda function. We can also use a name function to compute the square number. Check this. Lambda for each n number in the number list, we will compute the square number n square. Okay, now in the second argument for the map function we will use numbers. Numbers is a sequence. A common sequence in Python are, for example, lists, tuples, and strings of characters, numbers. Let's see the contents of the result variable. Execute again, and we get this. This is a map object. This number is the memory location for that variable. Now, how do we convert that map object to a list? It's very easy. In front of the map function, we use list, open parentheses and close parentheses, and now we have a list. This is the result. Check the contents: 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. That numbers are the square for the numbers from 1 to 5. Okay.